students they are going to watch the music video for the song. However, before watching the video, they are going to do a music video lottery in teens. Instructions. Show the slide with the pictures. Explain that only 5 of those things will appear on the video. Their task is to choose the 5 and explain why they chose them. The aim here is for them to use their imagination to come up with creative reasons why those things would appear on the video. Tell them that the crazier the better. Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos to help other teachers. Visit sonactivityfactory.com. Thank you very much for watching.